I usually like wear really crazy stuff to school, like lightning bolt earrings, and I have cat shoes, and I dress like the kids. I think I'm secretly a 12-year-old. I had a student, she used to come visit me maybe once a week, then twice a week, then pretty much almost every day. She was so little. She was a second grader, but she was really little, and she just looked sick. So I'm at my desk, and I'm looking at these mounds of paperwork, and the student's name with renal failure. And I'm like, so I gotta get a kidney? The community came together. It was a very big deal. When people knew that that's what they were helping, everybody felt good. Everybody felt great. They were helping somebody who really needed it. They had the surgery, boom, different child. She looked different. She was just like any other student. I don't see myself in any other profession, to be honest.
Communities and schools, changing the picture of education for over 1.2 million kids every year.